Hi, Jerry from Comfort here to talk about Comfort's Charter Oak siding. At Comfort, we feature what they call the virtually seamless siding, which means the siding has overlaps, but we can take a combination of 12-foot, 16-foot 8, and 25-foot panels and maximize the length of the panels so that you get 30 to 50% fewer overlaps. Now, the Comfort Charter Oak program we've been partnered with for almost 30 years now. It's available in what they call Dutch lap style with this little extra bend here, if that's the look that you like. It's also available in what they call clapboard. And you can get this with the grain and without the grain. And this features 19 different beautiful colors to choose from. When you do siding, it's the biggest makeover you'll do on your house. Now, Comfort Charter Oak is one of the thickest sidings on the market. This is guaranteed to hold up into a Category 5 hurricane, if you can believe that. I think your house will blow down before the siding comes off. This extra little blue beam that you see on here is hidden under the receiver. This is what they call tri-beam. There's an extra piece of vinyl laminated on here so this stuff doesn't bend. What it does is it allows the siding to lay completely flat on your house, giving your house a beautiful look and hiding any wall imperfections. Now, when it comes to insulation underneath, you can choose to do a regular 3/8 insulation, which will go under the siding and insulate the complete area of the outside of your house, or even more popular is what they call Comfort's full-back siding. Now, this happens to be the Charter Oak Dutch lap siding. You notice that the backer board completely contours to the siding, so what you're doing is you're getting no open voids whatsoever. So this is going to have the impact resistance of real wood, except guess what? No painting, no scraping, no warping, no delamination. In New York State, where we live here, we're so at the mercy of the Great Lakes, the Finger Lakes, the ocean. There's a lot of humidity in the air. You'll never have to worry about any of that affecting your Charter Oak virtually seamless siding. So once again, thicker siding, reinforced backer boards of your choice that cause amazing installation values, and more importantly, no subcontractors. Siding is almost 100% labor. How we cut, how we fit and finish, how we connect everything together. Our guys, our employees do it better than anybody on the market. So think about Comfort when it comes to virtually seamless siding. Now, the Charter Oak Virtually Seamless is our premier product, but Comfort offers all kinds of sidings from regular, traditional, premium, and ultra premium to help fit anybody's budget or financing.